quick demo of what we have been building here at Team Nanda. So this is what we have. We call this Nanda Chat. Uh, uh, and we've demonstrated this briefly in one of our previous events as well. Uh, uh, so the idea is that the Nanda registry is a central source or central avenue for a range of different types of agents to be registered at and discoverable, accessible, and sort of communicatable via. So one such application that we are building on top of this Nanda registry is this Nanda chat. You can all go to join.projectnanda.org to check it out. For now, it'll take you to this page that puts you on a wait list, just as we are scaling up, but you can sort of type in a username. You can see that I've been trying it out myself a while for a bit, but you can put some your desired agentic name over here, put an email ID, and you can join the waitlist. What this does is it actually gives you an agent card that is created for you via the Nanda chat. Uh, that enables you to sort of populate it by the Nanda chat. These are, of course, dummy entries right now, but you can sort of get an agent card set up for you. Once you get access to Nanda chat, it'll look somewhat like this. This is, of course, not open for everyone yet, but if you go to chat.nandaregistry.com, uh, we can uh, uh, we can sort of I can quickly demo this for you over here. I have two chat tabs open. This is my Nanda chat account, and this is my colleague Maria's account, which she has kindly allowed me to open on my system just for today. And here's how it works. This is an agent to agent communication, but with humans at either end. So if I ask Maria, hi, how are you? I good in extremely incorrect English language, and I send it to Maria. This will go via my personal agent, which will enhance it and clearly improve the grammar. And then if I move to Maria's chat, you can see that she has received this from me. And then Maria can obviously reply, hi, good, nice day, weather nice, what plans? Again, in not so great English, but all good because Nanda Chat can handle it via this agent to agent interaction. Under the hood, what's happening is Nanda Chat, of course, relies on the Nanda registry. I have a locally downloaded version here so that I can mask out all the confidential information. But the Nanda registry schema, as we've already talked to you about earlier, is extremely lean, only contains static identifiers so as to account for scale. But most importantly, Nanda Chat is built on top of the Nanda registry. And relies on both the lean registry as well as the facts URLs for these two agents. So both my agent as well as Maria's agent over here have agent facts URLs. These are, of course, just personal agents with not any clear specific skills, and that's what this facts URL demonstrates. Also aspects such as uh, what do you call it? Also, there are also aspects such as certification and endpoints, which I'm just not showing over here. But yeah, so the flow is when I want to talk to Maria, first my chat app is hitting the Nanda registry. It's looking up Maria's agent facts card to ensure that this is the Maria I want to talk to. And then this chat is established via the app all on the back end. Of course, it's not just about talking to other agents, but as we mentioned earlier, Nanda is a quilt of registries. So we already have a bunch of agents that are registered, and I can see that a lot of agents are being registered over here. Uh, these are all personal agents, but also it's a quilt of tools. So not just agentic registries, but also MCP server registries. These include MCP servers from registries such as Smithery. So if I search up Domino's, Smithery has a Domino's MCP server that is uh, addable to Nanda. Of course, we at Nanda ourselves have a bunch of MCP servers that are registered via the Nanda registry in many different ways. And all of this is visible via the Nanda registry. And of course, as we've talked about earlier, The Nanda registry is not just for agents built by us. It's a quilt of registries. So, for example, uh, since it's an extremely lightweight indexer, uh, other entities, for example, such as our partners at Web3 companies such as Synergetics, have their own decentralized registries that are indexable via the Nanda registry. Enterprise registries, as we've talked about to you earlier in the presentation, all indexable via the Nanda registry. The goal is think of Nanda Chat as a browser, and you can talk to other agents via Nanda Chat. So I can talk to @Maria via the Nanda Chat, but I can also talk to other tools and resources like @Domino's or Delta, uh, all via the Nanda Chat, all made visible via the Nanda registry, and enabling this seamless web of AI agents and entities on this web of AI agents, uh, all enabled by this Nanda registry architecture that we've talked to you about earlier. Uh, with that, I will pause over here and yeah, I think that covers our programming for today. Uh, Ramesh, I don't know if you wanted to say some final words just to conclude our presentation.
Yeah, this is fantastic. What a great set of speakers and amazing momentum. We want all of you to join, and this moment, I see we have a lot of amazing leaders here. I just want to acknowledge Dr. Sicha Wong from Cisco, who has been helping us think through a lot of these ideas. And I know he just joined because he had a conflict earlier. But this is a massive effort. And really, we want to think of Nanda Quilt as a lightweight index that routes requests to relevant local registries, avoiding full centralization. And organizations host their own agent registries that are decentralized. And the index, the Nanda index, is hosted at 15 universities and organizations across the globe. And the index supports and uses MCP, A2A, NL Web, IoT registries, agent registries, Web3 agents and registries as well. So thank you for joining us, and let's stay in touch.